everyone take your seats. You can chat to our celebrities later. We're all very glad to see Matt and Katie back in such good health. Now, according to my schedule, Katie was to give a lecture on relativity. However, due to circumstances...
Mrs. Hartwick, I'm ready to go.
Very well.
Einstein's theory of relativity, as interpreted by Katie English. Question, who's moving? You are. Wrong. From my point of view, you're all whizzing past and I'm standing still. That's what relativity is all about. It's the idea of understanding other points of view. I mean, how do we know ours is always right? Why shouldn't we accept ideas that go beyond the limits of human comprehension? Copernicus and Einstein stunned the world with their theories. And who knows what bombshells our generation has in store for it.
Yeah, right. Like what?
According to the theory of relativity, as I reach the speed of light, my watch slows down while yours keeps regular time. That means the light we're sending out of this world, by the time it reaches some distant galaxy, could be the light of a dead solar system.
What do you mean dead, Katie?
By the year 2000, we'll have destroyed 20% of the plants and animals on Earth, all in the name of progress. Famine, drought, plague, killer viruses escaping from the rainforest. The planet is shuddering, people, crying out in agony, weeping at the stupidity of what we've done. And someday it may shrug us off completely, rid itself of a parasite we call humanity. And it just may happen with a great convulsion, ending with a colossal bang. The end of civilization as you know it.